Hello YouTube. Let's learn how to not just get file names into first level of directory, but also how to traverse all subfolders into that specific primary root. So to do that, we're gonna use OS module, and there is a walk method there, which is really useful because it will give us file names. Now, of course, we need to do a little bit of magic here with a couple of for loops. Really simple stuff, nothing scary. You will see and understand everything. So import OS, and let's define target, which in this case will be directory where Python is. And now what? Now let's just print that pile of results. So for X, in OS, walk, target. So what we are doing here is we are grabbing this part of equation and putting it here. I mean, of course, you can copy paste this and that will be true hard coding, but I think it's simpler like that. And yeah, so let's print that specific X to see what's going on. Is it actually possible? So we have a lot of data here, and there is really no point into analyzing it from there because you will understand absolutely nothing. You just know that we have big pile of letters and numbers. That's not good. So I'm using here one X to grab everything, but that's not what we need. What we need is the way to separate root, which is this here, directory names and file names. And we're gonna use three things here in for loop. For example, root, directory name, and file or files. So now what? Is that enough? No, it's not, because now we need to go through all these files and then grab them individually from this pile here. Because let's just print files here. Let's see what's happening. See, that's also no good. So let's create yet another loop, which will be for X in files. Okay, not root, not dir name, not but files. So for that specific file, in files, and I'm not using file here because I'm gonna use that for handle when we create a file where we will extract our results. So this is just abstract X, nothing special. For X in files, let's print those X individually. And let's see what's going on. Do we have results? So there you go. Now you have files. Of course, we can extract this raw listing, but then maybe that's useful to you. But then there is a question: what if you need direct path to any of those files? Then what? Because to extract this listing is relatively simple, but we need full path to that specific file. So how to get there? We will print root plus // because we are on Windows, and plus that specific file, which is represented by X. So this thing works, but we're gonna destroy it right now, and let's run our script again and let's see what's happening. So this is cool. Okay, there you go. Now you have full paths to only files. And let's actually try to confirm that. For example, multiprocessing. Okay, so by this listing, it's in Python 3732 DLL multiprocessing Python extension module. Okay, so let's go to it, file, DLLs, multiprocessing, come on, list, where are you? Where are you? I don't see it. Oh yeah, there you go. Multiprocessing. Now let's go to details. Maybe it's a little bit better. Yep, there you go. So let's confirm that with a little bit longer path, if there is one. Okay, so let's use this. So lib this subfolder and cache, and file is even cpython3 events. Where are you? Okay. 37 opt1, 37 opt1. So there you go, the thing works. So that's nice. Now let's actually export all of these results to external file. Let's open it because there is no one. Big listing txt. We're gonna write to it, and after we are done with operations, we need to close our file, because if we don't do that, the file will not work. I mean, the data will not be written in file. So every time when you have this situation, when you're exporting some listing to file, do not forget to put here plus new line. Okay, let's just for testing purposes see what kind of mess we can have. Oh, sorry, I'm not printing to file, I'm printing to screen. So file, write, and I think we are fine now. Fast operation, definitely. File name was big listing, and see, so you have concatenation here, and that's definitely not what we need. So just type plus here and n. There are other ways, of course, but this is relatively simple and straightforward. Let's run our script again. Okay. Big listing, and there you go. So you have your listing now. You can do all kind of processing here or even here, okay, in a for loops to get specific results. You can using different script get specific details about files, size, creation date, and some other things, but this thing will work, and it's kind of nice. 8-minute tutorial, a little bit longer than I thought. So anyway, thank you for watching. As always, thank you for subscription, for support, and see you next tutorial.